Hi folks, this is Dave from Pioneer, and we'd like to put another product under the spotlight if we can. We'd like to mention about what it takes to make a good silk flower. Many have asked that question. I asked years ago when I first started buying silk flowers, how do you know when silk is good? And the man that I was talking to said, well, first of all, you look at it. Does it look good? If it looks good, then that tells you a lot, and that's what a lot of florists go by. But here's a few things you'll want to check. You need to have a good sturdy stem, whether it's a stem or a bush. The stem should be sturdy. It's normally made of wire inside. The foliage needs to be, again, a good construction. If it's a pop-on construction, which many of them are, the foliage should not pop off very readily at all. It should be put in place, popped on, and be secure. The flower head itself should have many layers. This particular flower head has great detail, and that is a very important thing. It makes it look more realistic. And this is, of course, an English rose, and you have lots of layers and good detail inside, even a lovely center that will drive the bees crazy. So it's a good center inside there. So the colors need to be good, of course. Minimal fraying. You probably will get some fraying on a silk flower, but it should have minimal fraying. When you go to bushes, bushes should be similar. The benefit of bushes, of course, is that you're going to be able to make many cuts. Many florists, to be able to try and get good pricing, will buy a bush and cut it up, and that way they can get many arrangements, perhaps for less money than if they were to use just single stems. So bushes are very, very much the order of the day today, and Pioneer has a great selection of many excellent bushes. Take a look at it. We're glad you're visiting.